Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Kat, better known here as the Yogi vocal coach, and today we are starting my series of cool down videos. This video is quite a chill one. It's a little bit spooky, hence my little friend over there, and we are going to be getting into some NGR sounds. The exercise is going to start here on this note. It's going to go around twice each time and then take a step down. So, standing or sitting HOSOKNOT, head over shoulders over knees over toes. Click's going to count us in. Here we go. Really well done. Best thing to remind yourself during this exercise is just keep everything really relaxed. Remember, we're not warming up, we're not getting ready for a big show, we're cooling down, we're making sure we're not getting a massive buildup of lactic acid, we're taking things down to neutral or relaxed mode. So keep it chill. Here we go, one more time. Don't forget, starting note is here. Here we go, clicks counting us in. good work, everybody. So this is the first installment of our vocal cool down exercises. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below letting me know how you're going to incorporate this into your voice routine. Be sure to check out the playlist. This is the first video in it, but I promise you we're going to have loads more cooldowns coming up, so make sure you're keeping your eyes on there. I also offer private tuition, so if you want to have a lesson with me, I'm available online or in person Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and for now, keep looking after those lovely voices of yours, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!